Welcome to Melody Master. You are in the English series of Melody Masters Tabla lessons. So in this lesson, we are trying to cover the 8 variations and theka of Jhap Taal. Jhap Taal is 10 beats tal. So we will learn first theka of the Jhap Taal. The theka of Jhap Taal is Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na, Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na. Variation of Jhap Taal is Dhi Na Na, Dhi Dhi Na Na, Dhi Na Na, Dhi Dhi Na Na. This is the first variation. So how we'll play the variation and theka, I'll show you how it will be played. To play Dhin, Dhi. These lessons, how to play this Dhi Na, I have taught in my first video, the tabla beginners lesson. So you can watch it and learn from there too. But here I'll briefly teach you how to produce the sound. So this Dhin with Ghe will produce Dhin, Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na, Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na. We learn Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na, Dhi Na, Dhi Dhi Na. The Dhi and Dhi will be played inside in this Maidan or field. Dhi Na, Dhi Na, Dhi Na. Okay, our next variation is Dhi Na Na, Dhi Dhi Na Na, 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 Dhi Na Na, Dhi Dhi Na Na. Hope you are getting it. Dhin NaNa, Dhin Dhin NaNa, Dhin NaNa, Dhin Dhin NaNa. The next variation is Dhin NaNa, DhiKra, Dhi Dhi NaNa, Dhin NaNa, DhiKra, Dhi Dhi NaNa. Dhin. The letters are same, but only the difference is kra. Dhin NaNa, DhiKra. Ka and te together. Ka first, te at the same time. Kra, DhiKra, 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 Dhi Dhi NaNa. Kra, Dhi Dhi Dhi. Sorry, not at the same time. So we'll play the kra. The little hard word is here is a kra. So Dhi NaNa, DhiKra. How we'll play kra? Ka and ta at a slight difference. Ka first and ta. Kra. DhiKra, DhiKra, kra. Dhi Dhi NaNa, Dhi NaNa, DhiKra, Dhi Dhi NaNa. It's quite melodious. Dhi NaNa. Now we'll move to our next variation. The variation is Dhin Na Dhin, Dhin Na Dhin, Na Dhin, Dhin Na Dhin, Na Dhin, Dhin Na Dhin, Na Dhin, Dhin Na Dhin. The difference here is na te te. We'll play te 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 te. Na te te. Na te te. This is the little change in this variation. Other things remain same. Dhin Na te te Dhin Dhin. How Dhin is played inside the Maidan open. Dhin Dhin Na te te Dhin Dhin Na te te Dhin Na te te Dhin our next variation is Dhin Na Na, Dhi Dhi Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin. Slowly, Dhin Na Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na Na, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Dhin Na. Hope you are getting it. Now next variation is Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na, Dhin Na DhiKra, Dhin Dhin Na. This is more advanced and melodious tone. So let's look it in a deep way. Dhin, 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 NaTraka, NaTraka, Traka, 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 Dhin, NaTraka. You can watch our beginners video for this type of words that I have already taught you there. Around 40 different words. NaTraka. I'll be keeping link on the description box. You can watch that. That is the best beginners lesson. I think in whole YouTube nobody is teaching that letters that are used in tabla. So you can watch it from there. So here we'll keep it short. Dhin Na Traka. DhiKra. 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 Dhin Dhin NaNa. Dhin NaTraka. NaTraka. DhiKra. Tra. Dhin Dhin NaNa. We have our next variation. Dhin Na Titi Dhi, Dhin Dhin Na Titi, Dhin Na Titi Dhi, Dhin Dhin Na Titi Dhi, Dhin Dhin Na Titi Dhin. We look it deeply. Dhin Nana Tete, Nana Tete, Tete. DhiKra, DhiKra. Dhin Dhin, Dhin Dhin. Nana Tete, Nana Tete. Now the khali part. Dhin, Dhin, Nana Tete, DhiKra, DhiKra, Dhin Dhin, Dhin Dhin, Nana Tete, Nana Tete, Dhi, Nana Tete, Dhi, Dhin Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhi, Dhin Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhi, Dhin Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhi, Dhin Dhin, Nana Tete, Dhi, That's it, the Jhap Taal. I think if you play this all 7 varieties of Jhap Taal, you not need to learn more, but you need to practice what you learn. 5 variation or 8 variation is enough for playing tabla. And while playing with musics or songs, you just need 2 or 3 variations, but the variations should be very melodious. It should sound very good and sweet when you play it. So you must rehearse it, practice it more to bring the beautiful of that variations. So hope you get this lessons of Jhap Taal. I tried to cover it in one video for you, especially for my English audience. So So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and also comment if you have something to say for me, any ideas, any lessons you need. So I want to thank you for watching the video. Keep learning, keep practicing the tabla. Thank you.